Complaint about snapping dentures. My complaint is this. I have seen patients for a long time, more than 25 years, destroyed mouths, where they come here for a solution, but sometimes patients, they don't understand that we have destroyed teeth, decayed teeth that we need to extract, swelling gums, a little bit of pain. Yes, obviously we extract from 1 to 24 teeth, depends on how the grade of decay that they have, and they just give me a couple of days. Doesn't matter if you come 1 week or if you come 1 month, the healing process, it doesn't matter if you're Chinese, American, Mexican, or from Argentina. Whatever you're gonna do, obviously you're gonna take a time for that swelling to come down. If you're here 1 week, you're gonna take those snapping dentures with you. But obviously right now, you are in a period of healing, swelling. So even though you have your snapping dentures, it's normal to have some pain. It's normal for you that when you put them in, it's gonna hurt in some areas. But once the swelling comes down, now the feeling is gonna be much, much better. But I have had patients where I put them in and they go directly to steak. I have patients that they start with fish, with soft things, but they start to eat. You didn't have no molars. Right now, they have molars, probably gonna bite a little bit their cheeks. And it's more a psychology about those new teeth that you're gonna have in your mouth. My complaint is that once we do them, I have had some patients that they say, I cannot put them in. You need to help, because the only one that knows how to put them in is you. We can place them in, but the only one that knows if it's gonna be right, left, back, forth, it's you. To understand the swelling, to understand the process of that anti-inflammatory process that your body's having, it's kind of complicated, because it's like, I don't care, doc, I arrive on Monday and you're leaving on, and I'm leaving on Sunday. I need to have them in? Yes, that's what we say that we do, and we do it. But obviously you're gonna have some pain afterwards, because it takes up to 3 weeks, a little discomfort, obviously, because you had extractions, you had a implant set, gum swelling, it's normal. My complaint about that is sometimes the understood that we don't do miracles. We work with amazing materials. We have the expertise to do it. But if the patient does not understand that part, that we're not playing gods, what we're doing, it's the best technology applied on implant dentistry. Doesn't matter if it's a wide, regular, narrow, or mini implant, the healing is gonna be the same. It's gonna be the same. It's gonna take time. Swelling needs to come down. The feeding needs to be slowly, 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 slowly. And just to let you know that this complaint, it's more because I know that we are in an express culture where I order my coffee here and I want it on the other window. Yes, but that's coffee. Health is different. We need to understand how health works. And what we're doing, we have been doing it for a long time. And we have so many cases like these ones where we have amazing smiles. We have made lots of friends. I even have patients that they are swelling and they go back home and they come back after 3 months, because now that the swelling is completely down, we just do a reline and problem solved. But it's more a psychological. We do a teamwork. Remember that doctors, we don't do miracles, we do a teamwork, and what we do is that based on what we see. Each mouth is so different, each patient is so different, the healing process of each patient is so different. What we are always here, try to do it with the heart, do it the best we can, and the most ethical. So this complaint about the psychological way of seeing pain and swelling needs to be on both, just to understood what's going on. Snapping dentures, they really work, and I think it's an amazing solution if you have cases like this where there's no teeth. Affordable dentistry, good solution. Thank you.